In this video, I'll be telling you 4 equipment you need to start your YouTube channel. 4 equipment you need in your simple YouTube studio setup. And in the end, I'll be sharing with you 2 free softwares you need to start your YouTube channel. Let's go. The first equipment you need to start your YouTube channel is a phone, a camera phone. You don't need to buy an expensive phone. I'm sure by now many of us have phones that we use to take pictures and do videos. That phone is enough for you to start filming. On your phone, you have filters. So you could play with the filters to give you the color gradients you would love on your videos. The way you would like, the feel you want of your videos, the lighting feel. You can play with that on your setting. But pro tip on using your phone: use the back end camera. The front end gives lesser quality, the back end gives a better quality. And when you use your front camera, you tend to stare at yourself and get distracted with how you look while you're talking. So now this is me using my front end camera, and I'm seeing myself and I'm talking, like talking to a mirror. But you can see my eyes, I'm not looking at you guys, I'm seeing myself. I can do my hair like this while filming because I can see, oh, this is, you can see the distraction. I'm looking at the front end camera. But this is me looking at the back end camera. I'm looking into the lens. Then another tip for using your phone: before you start filming, make sure you clean your camera lens, the back lens. Clean it, because sometimes due to oil, due to touching, could make it blurry. So your videos will appear like they are lesser quality. But all you need is just clean the lens of your camera and you'll see a difference in the quality of your video. The second equipment you need to start your YouTube channel is your lights, your lighting. But in my case, I use free lights. I'm in front of my window. It's a big window and it's not so sunny, but there's light coming through. That is all I'm using. I have no ring lights. I have no form of light except the sunlight, and that is the best form of light, which is cheap because it's free. So if you have a window, use sunlight. Don't invest in ring lights. Maybe later, or if you want to shoot at night, then you can invest in ring lights. But if you shoot during the day, sunlight is your best friend, unless you're not so fortunate to have a big window or a window where sunlight comes through in your filming space. Then you can invest in lights. But if you have a window in your space where you could get sunlight from, a tip is face the window. Don't back it. If you back it, you will look shadowy. Face it so the light reflects on your face, and try to film during the day when you get maximum sun. The third equipment you need to start your YouTube channel or for your simple YouTube studio is a microphone. It doesn't have to be expensive. I got this for, I think, about 10 to 20 pounds. It wasn't expensive and they came in pairs. I'm using one, I'm not using this one. And you can see the audio is okay. As much as you want your video quality to be good, the visual, also the audio is important, because some people listen to YouTube video, they don't watch. Some people don't stare at you. They put it on play or put it in their purse and they are listening to it with an earpod. So they want a good audio. So try to invest in a good microphone, something like this. I think it's called the lavalier mic. Don't go breaking the bank if you don't have the money, especially when you've not started making money on YouTube. You don't want to spend too much investing. But unless your phone has a good audio and can project your voice, fine, you could try it. I've not tried it before, but you could. Or unless you'll be close to your phone. But I know you don't want to be too close to your phone, so you don't appear in the face of your viewers. So it's important to invest in a good mic. It's a wireless mic. It has another part that is connected to my phone. So, and this, I don't put it on my body. Some people put it on their body, but I find out that I have to keep adjusting, and I don't know, I put it down just in front of me. That is how I use my mic. The fourth equipment you need to start a YouTube channel is a tripod. You need a tripod to keep your camera steady. Nothing expensive. You don't need to buy a fancy tripod that comes with ring lights and all that. But something important you need is a remote, a Bluetooth remote control. You need it so that when you're recording, you don't need to go back and forth to where your camera is to press pause or to play. Or when you're taking your thumbnail pictures, you don't need to go to your phone and keep pressing take and timing it. So you want a camera that has a remote control so that while you're sitting, you can press record, you can stop it, and when you're taking pictures for your thumbnail, you can snap on the spot. It saves you time and saves you stress. However, if you cannot afford a tripod yet, you can still film. Don't let a tripod stop you. You could arrange a bookcase or a carton or something where you place your phone and use it to hold a book. Use a heavy book to hold your phone in a position where it could face you and film. I've done it before. So a tripod should not be the reason why you won't start filming or start your channel. I've filmed videos without a tripod. So that's me just encouraging you there. Those are the 4 major equipment I think you need in starting your YouTube channel. Want to set up a simple YouTube studio? Those are the 4 things you need. Your camera, which is your phone, your lights, your microphone, and your tripod when you have a tripod. Like I told you earlier, I'll be sharing with you 2 softwares you need to start your YouTube channel. They're also part of your equipment, but softwares. The first one is your editing software. I use CapCut. I recommend CapCut if you're a beginner. You don't need fancy, high-tech editing softwares that may confuse you or frustrate you. You just need something simple when you're getting started. CapCut is fine by me. I recommend it because I use it. You can use it on your desktop, your PC. You can use it on your phone. It has both desktop and mobile versions, and they are both perfect for editing your videos. Easy to use, simple to use. So for beginners, your best editing software or one of your best editing softwares is CapCut. And the second software you need when starting your YouTube channel is a software for your thumbnails, a software to edit your pictures, to make your pictures pop, to add text to your photos, to add your titles to your photos, to make your thumbnails catchy. I use Canva. Canva is easy to use, very easy to use and friendly. It also has a mobile version and a desktop version, and both work equally fine. And for both softwares, I use the free version. You don't need to pay to use the pro version. The free version is perfect for beginners. It will give you everything you need. So I've given you the 4 equipment you need to start your YouTube channel, the 4 equipment you need for your simple YouTube studio setup, and also 2 softwares you need: your editing software, which I said was CapCut that I use, and your softwares for your thumbnails, which I use Canva, both free versions. If you got value from this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.